वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थादिव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
तारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
वृत्तया शिवसूत्राणि
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि
आदेशा आगमास्तथा
आदेशागमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः।
प्रथमः पादः।
प्रथमः पादः।
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्तितौ
अनुदात्तौ सुप्तौ
गुप्तश्चेद्यः सन्
गुप्तिचिकिद्भ्यः सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मन्बदधांशाभ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातो कर्मण समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
तुप आत्मनख्य च
सुप आत्मनः च
कां यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
पमानादाचारे
अधिकरणाच्चेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाच्छेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुः किं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः कृत्वा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्वैव वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हरः
वृषाद्भ्यो भुव्यच्वैर्लोपश्च हलः
लोगितादिडाज्यख्यश
लोहितादिडाद्भ्यः क्यश
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणोरो मन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणोरोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्याम् उद्वमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्वमेघेभ्यः खरणे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकम्वमिघेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखाद्भ्यः कर्ते वेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रघ्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रज्ञः च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराणिङ्
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराणि
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृततूस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्षणलवणव्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृततुस्तेभ्यः च
धातोरेकाचो हलादेक्रियासनविहारेयम्
धातोरेकाचोहलादेः क्रियासमभिहारे ज्ञम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचरजपजपदगदशगृभ्यो भावगर्हायाम्
लुपसदचर जप जभ दह दशघ्रेभ्यो भावगर्हायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातूलशोकसेनाम् लोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालोमत्वा च वर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो णिच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमचि च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक
गुपधूपविक्षिपणिपणिभ्यः यः
गुपो धूपवीक्षपणिभ्यः आयः
ऋतेरीयङ्
ऋतेरीयं
कमेर्णिङ्
कमीर्णिं
आयादय आर्धधातुकेवा
आयादाय आर्धधातुकेव
स्तनाद्यन्ता धातवः.
नाद्यन्ता धातवः.
Have you memorized?
Not yet.
Okay. Up to this, and then we will start new. Okay. Once you memorize up here, you tell me.
Okay.
Then Dhatu Pata, up to 400 we saw. Now, Isha Gatihimsa Darshaneshu.
ईशगतिहिंसा दर्शनेषु
So, Isha Himsa. Isha is Dhatu is Atmanipadi or Parasmipadi. Then we have find out what is the before or what is at the end. Udata Anudate Taha. Therefore, tell me.
Atmanepadi.
Very good. Dhatu
Atmanepadi
is
said.
very good. Atmanipadi.
Said.
It is said. Right?
Yes.
So therefore form would be Ishate, Ishete, Ishante.
Isha. Shanti.
What will be the Langlakara? Interesting. Langlakara Rupam.
Aishanta.
Aishata. Atmanipadi, right?
Yes. Aishata.
Aishata, then
Aishitam. Aishanta. Aishataha. Aishitham. Aishidhvam. No, Aishadvam.
Yes.
Aishe, Aishavahi, Aishamahi.
Very good. Aisha, Aisha, Lagi, Aisha. Gati, movement, Imsa, to kill, to hurt, Darshana, to see. Then Bhasha, Bhasha Viktaya Vachi,
Bhasha Viktayam Vachi.
to speak. Bhasha Viktaya Vachi, Bhasha means to speak. Bhashate, Bhashete, Bhashante, Viktaya Vachi, Spute Vachana Ityartaha, clear speaking. Sputa is clear speaking. Varsha Snehane.
Varsha Snehane.
So Varsha, Varshate, again, this also we know. This is Atmanepadi and Sneh.
Say
Snehane means it is wet, slippery, the meaning. Varshate, Varshete, Varshante. What will be Nishta Rupam? Taprataya.
Varshita.
Very good, yeah, because. And Tum will be
Varshitum.
Varshitum. Simple, right? And Tavatu,
Varshitavat.
how do you decline in Pullinga?
Varshitam Varshit.
Huh? Pullinga, sir.
Okay. Varshitavan, Varshitavantau, Varshitavantaha.
Yes. Strilinga will be
Varshitavati, Varshivatyau,
Varshitavati. No, Varshitavatyo.
Varshivatyau,
No, no, Varshitavatyo. Varshitavati.
Varshitavatyau. Yes.
Mm.
Varshitavati, Varshitavatyau, Varshitavatyaha.
Yes. The next one. Geshu Anvichayam.
Yeshare Anvichayam.
Dhatu is Gesh Dhatu. Anvichayam. Anvichaya means to search, investigate. So what will be the Latlakara Rupam? Geshate, Geshate, Geshante. Simple.
Yes. Geshate, Geshate, Geshante, Geshase, Geshate, Geshadhve, Geshe, Geshavahe, Geshamahe.
Lang Lakara would be
Agishat, Agishatam, Agishanta.
very good.
Agishadhvam, Agishatha, Agishatham, Agishadhvam,
Yes.
Agishavahi, Agishamahi.
Ta Pratyaya. It is
Geshita.
said Dhatu. Geshita.
Yes.
And Tavat will be Geshitavat. Geshitavan, Geshitavantau, Geshitavantaha.
Yes.
Right? Very good. Okay. See, you know, a lot of things, no? By seeing that about how many things you can say for Tuman Pratyaya also you can say Tuman will be Geshitum and Twa will be Geshitva. Once you know Itahava means so many things you can do. Of course, there are exceptions. Exceptions are exceptions. That anyway, thank God. So far, we have not come across that exceptions. When we come across, we will see. Yeshre Prayatane.
Yeshre Prayatne.
So here will be Prayatane.
Effort.
Effort, yes. So Latlakara would be Yeshate, Yeshate.
Yeshate, Yeshate, Yeshante, Yeshase, Yeshet.
Okay. Lang, only Prathama Varsha is enough. Lang Lakara would be
Lang.
Dhatu is Yesh Dhatu. Therefore, Atagama will come.
Yes.
A plus A.
I.
Yes, Atascha Vriddhi. Therefore,
Aishata.
Aishata. Then,
Aishat. Aishanta. Aishatha. Aishetham. Aishedhvam.
Aishadvam.
Aishavahi. Aishamahi.
Aishe, Aishavahi, Aishamahi. Right? And in Nishta Rupam, you know, Nishta would be
Ishta.
Yeshita. And tavat would be
Ishitavat.
Eshitavan, Eshitavanto, Eshitavantaha. Okay, next one. Jeshre, Neshre, Yeshre, Preshre, Gato.
Jeshre, Neshre, Yeshre, Preshe, Gatao.
All is the same as this. And here you can see Yeshre in Pretane Artheapi, Gati Artheapi. Both meanings Preshre Dhatu is there. Depending on the context, we have to take the meaning. Resh, Hesh, Avyakte, Shabde.
Reshre, Heshre, Avakte, Shabde.
All this is the same. Resh will be Reshate, Reshate. And Lang Lakar would be Areshata, Aresheta, like that.
Yes.
Okay, simple. Okay, that's what it says here. Then Kasra Shabda Kutsayam.
Kastre, Shabdakutsayam.
Shabda Kutsayam. Kasra. Shabda Kutsayam means, in fact, we say in Tamil, we say Kasa means lung disease, Kasa no, we say. Shabda, to cough. Shabda Kasa. Kasate. Kasete, Kasante. To coughing. Akasata, Akasetam, Akasanta. Right? Sorry, Akasata, Akasetam, yes. And Nishta would be Kas plus
Kasita.
Kasita, Kasitavat, like that.
Kasitavat.
Basra Deeptau,
Bhasre, Diptao.
Basate, Basete. Similarly, Nishta would be Basita,
Abastavat.
yes. Basita, Basitavat, Basit.
So, this natat bhasayate. There is
That is Basayate is Rijanta, to shine.
but it's the same dhatu, yes.
In 10th Gana also we have the Dhatu.
Okay.
Bas, Deeptau, 10th Gana, no. Yeah, this is Gana. Yeah, this is the one. Sorry. Nabasayate. This is the one, sir. In 10th Gana we don't have. Yeah, Nijanta Kartari would be Basayate. Yes. Basayati, Basayati. This is in Natatraturyo Bhati. Bhati is in the second conjugation. Natatra Suryo Bhati, Nachandra Tarakum, Nema Vidyuto Bhati, Koyavagnihi. Basayate is this dhatu.
Yes.
Bhati is the second conjugation. Bhati, Bhataha, Bhanti. This is Nijanta, causative form is Basayati, Basayatah, Basayanti form. Okay. In Nijanta. Nijanta, we have, of course, Basayate. Basayate, Basayate, Basayante. And Basayati also is there. Nijanta. Nityascha. Dhatu is, of course, set dhatu only. Karmaka dhatu, set dhatu. Yeah. Nijanta can be in both the forms. Kartara Vipraye, Kriya Pale. Therefore, we have both Parasamipadi and Atmanipadi. Basayate will. Okay. Nichpratya, depending on the result. This is when you do the causative form, it becomes Akarmaka dhatu. Bas dhatu shine. To shine is sorry, I said wrongly. Bas dhatu deepto shine is Akarmaka dhatu. When you make it causative, it becomes Sakarmaka dhatu.
Yes.
Like Asati, loves, right? Akarmaka. Hasayati, cause someone to love, causative, it has karma. I make someone to love. That someone becomes the object. So all Nijanta will have karma. It means Sakarma, they become Sakarmaka dhatu. So Basayati, when we say Suryaha Chandram Basayati, it makes a shine, it makes a moon shine, right? So Chandra becomes a karma. Otherwise, Suryaha Basate cannot have karma. Bas dhatu doesn't have akarmaka dhatu, right? When it becomes causative, it can have karma. Then, if it is causative, then that Nijantarupam, there we have the choice. Kartara Vipraye Kriyapale, Atmanipadi. Paragami Kriyapale, Parasnipadi. Therefore, in both, it is possible. Depending on the result. Result of action is intended for the Karta, then it will be Atmanipadi. If it is intended for Others, then will be Parasmipadi. That is why Bhasayati, both are there. Understand?
Yes.
All Diganta Dhatus are, by the Sutra, what we saw now, Sanadanta Dhata, Dhatu. They will be Anekach Dhatu. They will be set only. They will be set, right? Or because they have more than one vowel. They have more than one vowel. For one vowel only, we have the rule. Anudata, then it is Anit. For more than one vowel, all the dhatus which have more than one vowel, they are set only. Okay, they are set. They will take itakama. That's number one. And all Nijanta dhatus can take karma, become sakarmaka dhatu. Even the akarmaka dhatu, when it becomes when it becomes causative form, right? When the causative form of akarmaka dhatu also, can take karma, it means it becomes sakarmaka. So set, setvam, sakarmakatvam, and of course, depending on the result of karma, goes to whom, whether to karta or to other, then it can be paraspripadi or atmanipadi. Katra vipraya kriyapale atmanipadi, paragami kriyapale parasapadi. There's three things you can remember. All Nijanta dhatus are said. All Nijanta dhatus become sakarmaka. And all Nijanta dhatus can be in either of the thing, that is paraspripadi or atmanipadi, depending on the result. Is intended for whom? If it is intended for a very karta, then atmanipadi. Otherwise, it is parasmipadi. Let's start. The 3 points you can remember.
Yes.
Then, next one. Nasra, Rasra, Shabde.
Nasre, rasre, shabde.
Nasra, the dhatu will be nas. Mudhan nakara will become dante nakara. Dhatva dehe, no naha, shaha saha, right?
Yes.
So, nas dhatu. So, nasate, nasete, nasante, form will be like that. Anasata, anaseta, anasanta. And nasita, nasitavan, nasita. Nasitavan, nasitavanto, nasitavantaha, like that. Sorry. But then ras also same. Rasru. Rasate, rasete. What the footnote says, 410. Okay, it doesn't say anything. The next one. Nasa Kautilye.
Nasa kautilyae.
Dhatu is
Nas.
Kautilya means crooked. Kutilasya bhavaha, Kautilye. So, what will be the latlakara rupam?
Naste, nasyate, nasante.
Nasate, sir, not naste. Nas plus
Yes.
sha plus te. Nasate, nasete, nasante.
Yes. Nasate, nasete, nasante. Nasase, nasete, nasadve. Nase, nasavahe, nasavahe.
Yes, Mishta rupam.
Nasita, nasitavat.
Yes. Then Vyasa Baye.
Vyasa bhaye.
So Vyasa. Dhatu is Vyas Dhatu. Vyas is not Pratyaya. Vyas. Fear. So Vyasate, Vyasete, Vyasante. Abhyasata, Abhyasetam, Abhyasanta. And Vyasita, Vyasitavan. Vyasitavat. Vyasitavan, Vyasitavanto, Vyasitavantaha. Like that form will be there. And footnote he has given 412 something. What is that? I see. Bayaha, Bhitihi, Ityarthaha. Okay. Then Ang Shasi Ichhaya. Angha Shasi Ichhaya.
Angaha, angaha,
Sorry,
shasi.
not Shasi. Shasi. Angha Shasi Ichhaya.
Angaha, shasi, ichayam.
So Shasi Ichhaya. So generally this will be the Upasarga Ang. That's why it's given Angha. Ang Upasarga. Dhatu is Shasi. Idit Dhatu. Therefore, what will be the form? Latlakara. Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Shans. Shans.
Yeah, very good. Num will come and become Anuswara. Shamsate. Ashamsate. Right?
Yes.
Ashamsate. Ichayam. Ang is the prefix. Upasarga. Generally, Shasdhatu will be with the Upasarga Ang. That's what he says here.
Okay.
So, ashamsate, ashamsete, ashamsante. Right? 413. Ichakshasi, dhatoho. Ayam ang purvaha eva prayoktavyaha. Always ang will be there, preceding the dhatu. Right? What will be the lung form? Tell me.
Anya shasata.
Huh?
Anya shasata.
No, sir.
Ang,
Shas dhatu becomes shams. Ashamsata, then you add ashamsata, right?
Ashamsata. Yes. Ashamsata.
You want me to,
Ashamsata.
you want me to type?
Ashamsata. I'm sorry. Ashamsata. Ashamsetam. Ashamsanta.
Yes.
Ashamsetam. Ashamsadvam.
Ashamsadvam.
Ashamse. Ashamsa.
Is the upasarga that you have to add later only. Dhatu is shasi dhatu, right?
Yes.
Because of it, idi dhatu, num will come, and num and nakara will become anuswara, shams. Therefore, shams. Now, lang lakara, when you do, atagama should be added here. Ashams. So, ashams plus sha plus ta. So, you will have ashams sata. Then a is there here.
Sata.
A plus a is savana dirgha sandhi only, right?
Yes.
So a sham sata pratama purusha ekavacham. Other forms you can do. Asham sata, asham setam, asham santa iti rupa. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Next one. Glasu adane.
Glasu adane.
So dhatu is gras dhatu, grasate, devour. Glasu also same thing. Ukara is idit letter. Ukara, udit dhatu is udit dhatu. What interesting? What will be the so latlakara rupam, lang lakara rupam and all simple. Gras dhatu, grasate, or agrasata, agraseta. Now, what will be the nishta rupam? That's important. Dhatu is udit dhatu. Therefore,
Therefore, it's not set. The ikara
exactly.
doesn't come.
Sorry,
For
ikara?
the ikara of set doesn't come when the u is it letter.
Yes.
Like
Dhatu,
blue.
exactly. Dhatu having ukara as it letter, right? Udit letter, udit dhatus. They are for twa pratyaya, it is optional. Therefore, for nishta pratyaya, it will not come. Understand?
Yes.
So it is something like that. So wherever for some other pratyaya, the udit dhatus, itagma is optional, is given. Therefore, what will happen here? Itagma will not come. Not budhatu. Budhatu is u, that is u, the ukara, that is different. Udit dhatus you have to see. One small table that I think I showed before. Anyway, we will see that, or I'll show you. We can follow, it's very good.
So for ta would be glasta in
Yes,
glastavat.
exactly. Yes. Grasta, grastavata. The small table I prepared, I'll tell you. Later we'll be learning this in detail, but just for now, you see, Udit, right?
Yes.
Udit dhatus. This will be optionally wait somewhere, not for ta pratyaya. For some other pratyaya, not for ta pratyaya, for some other pratyaya it is wait. Then what will happen for nishta pratyaya? It will be unneat. Simple. In fact, yeah, same example I have given gras. Grasu. For twa pratyaya, udit dhatus, will take for udit dhatus will enjoy optional vetvam for twa. Therefore, for nishta pratyaya, no it. Simple.
Yes.
condition is like that. Anywhere for any pratyaya, the dhatu gets optional itvam. Then for say, for ta pratyaya, it will not get. That's a rule. You see, the rule is connected like that. Not directly, it is anywhere. For any pratyaya, the dhatu can take, the dhatu can allow optional itvam. Then for ta pratyaya, it will not. Therefore, with regard to tha pratyaya, it will be anit. Though the dhatu is said. For ta pratyaya, it is anit. Understand? For twa pratyaya, it will be grastva. Grasita, two forms will be there. For nishtha pratyaya, it will not be. Got it?
Yes.
This is what. So udit dhatu means you have to be alert. We have seen that before also. Okay. So therefore, grasu as with glasu. So you can note, udit dhatus are optionally it, that is wait, for twa pratyaya. Therefore, for nishtha pratyaya, they are anit. Simple. One line you can note it.
Yes.
Only I can write here. Whenever, yes, I will send you. Udit dhatus are wait. Wait is optionally it for twa pratyaya. Therefore, so the condition is indirectly connected. Therefore, udit dhatus are, therefore, for ta pratyaya, nishtha pratyaya, ta and tavatu. Therefore, for nishtha pratyaya, udit will be, udit dhatus will be anit. Please note this is. So all udit dhatus. Udit ukara is ith letter. Please note. Bu dhatu is different. Where ukara is not ith letter. U is a part of the dhatu. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Next one. Iha cheshtayam.
Iha cheshtayam.
Ihate, ihete, ihante. The form. What was the lang rupam?
Aihata.
Very good. Aihata.
Aihanta. Aihantha. Aihitham. Aihadvam. Aihi. Aihavahe. Aihamahe. Aihavahi. Aihamahi.
Yes. And dhatu is, what with nishtha rupam? Dhatu is said.
So, ihita.
Ihita or ihitavat, ihitavan, ihitavanto. Okay.
Yes.
This is, please remember, up to this we have seen. No?
Yes.
415, not 425. We will stop this here. Next class, remind me, 415. We have. Now, let us do one sutra at least complete today. Let's chant this. Please repeat. Bhuvadayodha tavaha.
Bhuvadayodha tavaha.
Sanadyantada tavaha.
Nadyantadha tavaha.
Datva dehe shahasaha.
Vadehe shahasaha.
No naha.
Naha.
Iditonam dhatoho.
Hitonum dhatoho.
Rupagid dhatoho.
Dhatoho.
Upadhayascha.
Dayascha.
Udoshtya purvasya.
Doshthyapurvasya.
Arvarupadhaya dirgha ikaha.
Upadhaya dirghaikaha.
Alicha.
Cha.
Upadhayam cha.
Hayam cha.
Pratyaha.
Yayaha.
Parascha.
Cha.
Adidatascha.
Adyudatascha.
Dhatorekacho haladhe kriya samavihare yang.
Dhatoreka chohaladih kriyasamabhihareyam.
Dhatoho.
धातोः
lasya
स्य
tiptaschi stiptasta viprasmas ta atam jha thas atam dum it vahi mahing.
तिप्तस्झि सिप्तस्था मिप्वस्मस्ता आथम झा थास आथम ध्वम ईड वहि महिन्
Ingshit savadatukam
क्षित् सार्वधातुकम्
ardhadatukam sheshaha
अर्धधातुकं शेषः
litsha
च
lingashishi
शिशे
laha parasmai padam
परस्मैपदम्
sanghanavatmane padam
कालवत्मनेपदम्
Ingastrini triti pratama madhyamotamaha
त्रीणस्त्रीणि त्रीणि प्रथममध्यमोत्तमः
तान् एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनानि एकचः
एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनान्येकशः
बहुषु बहुवचनम्
बहुवचनम्
एकयो द्विवचनैकवचने
द्वैकयोर्द्विवचनैकवचने
विभक्तिश्च
श्च
युष्मद्विपपदे समानाधिकरणे स्थानिन्यपि मध्यमः
युष्मदुपपदे सनानाधिकरणे स्थानिन्यापि मध्यमः
अस्मद्युत्तमः
मद्युत्तमः
शेषे प्रथमः
शेषे प्रथमः
अनुदातगित आत्मनेपदम्
उदात्तङित आत्मनेपदम्
भावकर्मणोः
कर्मणोः
पूर्ववत्सनः
पूर्ववत्सनः
आम् प्रत्यवत् क्रियोनुप्रयोगस्य
प्रत्ययवत् क्रियोनुप्रयोगस्य
स्वरितज्ञितखत्रभिप्राये क्रियापरे
स्वरितज्ञितः कर्तृभिप्राये क्रियाफले
निचश्च
यश्च
शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मैपदम्
कर्तरि परस्मैपदम्
लः कर्मणि च भावे च कर्मखेभ्यः
कर्मणि च भवे च कर्मखेभ्यः
वर्तमाने लट्
वर्तमाने लट्
अनद्यतने लङ्
नद्यतने लङ्
छन्दसि लिट्
छन्दसि लट्
परोक्षे लिट्
परोक्षे लट्
लट् स्मे
पाठस्मे
अपरोक्षे च.
क्षे च.
This was the last sutra, remember?
Yes.
You see, then I sent you the up-to-date, all the notes. If you see our notes, this would be the last sutra, aparokshecha. Aparokshecha, let here we saw parokshe. Let us may parokshe. Then the next sutra says aparokshe also. So paroksha only let will come, it said before, then aparokshecha, cha iti, aparoksha also. Therefore, only let lakara you can use for aparoksha also. Otherwise, what will happen? Only paroksha is. Paroksha means you are not the witness. It was not seen by the speaker. But we use with the let, now sma upapada. Many times we use. So it means it is paroksha. It is not paroksha, it is aparoksha. It is seen by the speaker. Like evam pita braviti sma. Pita said so. Please use, take the example. Evam iti upadhyayah katayati sma. Or aham gramam gacchami sma. So because of this sutra only, we can in Langarte we can use the latlakara with the sma upapada. Understand? This was the last sutra which we saw. Now, in our format I sent you, so it's very easy to understand. If you read, you will understand. But you need to keep reading, updating yourself. If you give some time, you will forget. No problem. If in case you don't understand, if you have forgotten, you can ask me. I'll tell you. But just this is also important. It is just say bhute
Bhute.
Please note 3 to 84 to 3 to 122. Then under Bhute we have Lung,
Lung.
Anadyatane Lang,
Nadyatane lang.
Parokshe Lit.
Parakshe liter.
So 3 to 84 to 3 to 122. Here we have Lung Lakara, Anadyatane Lang, Parokshe Lit. Anadyatane Lang is Spashta Anadyatane Lang. Right? If Anadyatana is Lang Lakara can be used. If it is not Spashta, then what Lakara I will use? In the past tense. We have seen here. Bhutakalah, Adyatana-kalah, Anadyanakalah iti Spashtam na, then we have to use Lung Lakara only. Therefore, I mean, according to Sutra, okay, anyway, we don't follow, that is different. There are the language. If it is not Spashtam, Aspashta, Anadyatane, Lung Bhavati. Spashta Adyatane, Anadyatane, Lang Lakara. If the past is not today, past, if it is very clear, then Lang Lakara. If it is not clear, then Lung Lakara. So, both the past generally is Lung Lakara. If it is past is very spashta, it's very clear, and the past is not of today, then it will be Lang Lakara. If there is doubt with regard to whether the past is today's past or yesterday's past, then we have to use Lung Lakara. And the past, if it is not seen by the speaker, then Paroksha. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
Then Vartamane Lat.
Vartamane late.
Then from here it starts future tense. Bhavishyati Gamyadayaha.
Bhavishyati gamyadayaha.
We have not seen, we'll be seeing that later. Lit Sheshe Cha.
Loret sheshe cha.
That is the next sutra. Anadyatane Lut.
Adyatane luta.
Is Spashta Anadyatana. Future, if it is today's future, if it is very clear, then we use Lut Lakara. Otherwise, if it is Aspashta Anadyatane, then we use Lit Lakara. Not today's past. That is tomorrow past is Lut. What about today's past? Today's past will be Lit. But tomorrow past is not clear. Then we also use Lit Lakara. Sorry, not past, future. Shamitam, sorry. Okay, future, not past. Bhavishyati. Future. Okay.
Okay.
Now here, let us see a sutra pata and then come back. We can see the next sutra. Sutra pata. Bhavishyati Gamyadeyaha 3.3. Third chapter, third section. Please see. Bhute is 3 to 84. Up to 3 to 122. When Vartamane comes, then here we have Bhavishyati Gamyadeyaha 3 onwards. Bhavishyati Gamyadeyaha, which is 3, third chapter, third section, third sutra. Then here we have Lit Sheshe Cha. Then Anadyatane Lut. Now, what is this Sheshe? Sheshe going as Anuvritti up to here. What is the meaning of Shesha? And this sutra, if you see, Lit Sheshe Cha.
The shesha is the other case.
Yes, Kriyayam, this is also coming as Anuvritti. So, I will explain what Sheshe Cha. Kriyayam, Kriyartayam, also coming as Anuvritti. Okay. Now, what is this Kriyayam, Kriyartayam? We must know. Kriyayam, Kriyartayam means, I'll explain with an example. An action is done for the sake of another action. For example, you go to the school for what? To study. I go to the school for to study. So, an action is undertaken for the sake of another action. That is called Kriyartha Kriya. Kriyayam Kriyartha. Kriyartha Kriya is, that is a Kriya. Right? Sheshe means Kriyartha Kriyayam, other than Kriyayam Kriyartayam also, Lit Lakara will come. That is what Sheshe. Shesha means what is uktat anyaha, other than what is said, that's called shesha. So here, anadyatane lut is said. Okay. Anadyatane lut. Today's, not today's, future. That is lut. What about today's future, which is shesha, not uktaha, therefore lit lakara. Understand? Sheshaha means what is leftover. That's called shesha. Even when we eat food, that we say, whatever after we consume, the leftovers are there, no, the leaf. They call shesha, leftovers. Similarly, here, after assigning lakara for all possibilities, whatever anadyatralut, etc. And whatever is not told, that will be lit. That's sheshe. Now, anadyatane is lut. What about adyatana? Adyatana, is it told here? No. Therefore, that is sheshe. Understand? That is one shesha. Then second one is a kriyan action is performed for the sake of other action. Other than this, that is also will come under shesha. So now, with this background, we will see the sutra, you will understand better. Let us see the sutra. You see. After that, I will put it in our format. You see here, lit sheshecha. Bhavishya kalam jyotayitum kriyayam kriyartayam. Sheshe means tad bhinnayam cha kriyayam. Other than kriyayam kriyartayam, lit lakaraha bhavati. First, you understand this. Bhavishyat kalam is future tense. In order to denote a future tense, right? In the meaning of kriyayam kriyartayam, an action is performed for the sake of another action. I go to the school for study. The study action has not yet started, but I am going. Now I am walking. I am going to the school because I will be after going to the school. I will be studying. So that study will be future tense. It's going to happen, right? It has not yet happened, that study. But I am going to the school now. That is kriyata kriyaya. And sheshe. Sheshe is what is not said. Kriyatayam is said. Other than that, tad bhinnayam cha kriyayam. Lit lakaraha bhavati. Now, what does it mean? Anena sutrena, by this sutra, adyatana, today's, anadyatana, bhavishyat kalartam. By this sutra, today's future and not today's future, lit lakaraha will be used, right?
Yes.
But sheshe, by the word shesha, the action which will be performed, the action, today's future, as well as not today's future, it means tomorrow's future. Lit lakara will be used. Lit lakara is ordained. But the next sutra is anadyatane lut. Parantu anadyatane lut iti anena anadyatana bhavishyat kalartam apavadattvena lut lakarasya vidanam kritam asti. 3315, we have a sutra, anadyatane lut. Therefore, that part you have to leave it. So, from this, shesha meaning, shesha brings in adyatana, anadyatana, bhavishyat kala. But anadyatana, we have lut lakara. So, that you remove it. Right? Therefore, kriyayam kriyartayam, an action is performed as other action for that, in that meaning, and as well as for today's future, lit lakara will be used. That is the final meaning. To arrive at. Therefore, ataha kriyarta. Now, yatra kriyarta kriya nasti, right? And anadyatana bhavishyat kalartam lut lakara heva. So anadyatane lut, that must be used if the future is tomorrow's future. I mean, not today's future. Anadyatana means not today. Not today means tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whatever it is. If the future is not today's future, and if it is not kriyarta kriya, then lut lakara must be used by the sutra. Anadyatane lut. Understand?
Yes.
So, see, three possibilities are there. Please see. One is Kriyartha Kriya, an action is performed for the sake of other action. Number two, today's future, Adyatana Bhavishyat. Number three, Anadyatana Bhavishyat. Three. Anadyatane lut already we have said, right? In these three only future tense we are discussing can be used. Now, Anadyatana lut is used. Then what is left out? Adyatana and Kriyartha Kriya. There only lit lakara will be used. That is the meaning of Shesha. You got it?
Yes.
So Shesha, lit lakara, here I write. So future tense could be either Adyatana Bhavishyat Kalaha, right? Possible. Or Anadyatana Bhavishyat Kalaha, or it could be Kriyartha Kriya. That is, an action is performed for the sake of other action. These are the three possibilities or meanings in which future tense is used, right? Now, for this Anadyatana Bhavishyat Kalaha, we have a sutra separately. Lut must be used, right? So that is gone. Then what is Shesha? These two are the Shesha. Muktat Anyaha. So therefore, these two, Adyatana Bhavishyat Kalaha, lit lakara, and Kriyartha Kriya, lit lakara will be used. Understand?
Yes.
Now, example you see. Saha Shvaha. Shvaha means
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Now, what lakara you will use? Tell me. Lut or lit? Lut lakara or lit lakara?
Lut.
Because
Nadyatane.
Anadyatane lut. Therefore, by the sutra Anadyatane lut, Saha Shvaha Ganta. Correct, right? The Anyatra Sarvatra lit lakarasya prayogaha. Lit lakara. Now, whether he is going tomorrow or not, I am not sure. Aspashta Anadyatana. Saha Adya Shvaha va. Now here what will you use? Lut lakara or lit lakara? Because not clear. Aspashta Anadyatana.
Lit.
Lit lakara. That's what. Aspashta Anadyatana. If Adyatana is Spashta, then lut. If it is today, then it is lit lakara. If Anadyatana is Aspashta, then also lit lakara. Aspashta Anadyatane. Understand?
Yes.
All this in before itself we have seen given. Spashta Anadyatane lut. Aspashta Anadyatane lit. If it is Adyatana, then also lit only. All these are covered by Shesha. Not only that, Kriyartha Kriya also. That is why coming as Anuvrutti. That also. Ayam Lakara Pratyaha Bhavishyati. Bhavishyati means which is going to happen. Bhudhataho future tense. Bhavishyati. Iti Kalam Nirdeshtam. Tvayoho Astayoho Prayujyate. This Lakara will be used in these two conditions. What? Kriyayam Kriyartayam. That Kriyayam Kriyartayam is coming as Anuvrutti. And because of the word Shesha, other than this, the Vinnayam Kriyayam, it is Shesha. So under the Shesha only it comes what? Adyatana as well as Anadyat, Aspashta Anadyatana. Both will come under Shesha. For our understanding, I'm writing. And Shesha is equal to, right? Aspashta. What is Spashta? Spashta Adyatana, today's future.
Yes.
Spashta Adyatane. Second one is Aspashta Anadyatane. So this is different from Kriyayam Kriyartayam. That is what you written here. Tadbinnayam. Tadbinna means different from Kriyayam Kriyartayam. Understand?
Yes.
Now with the example. What is Kriyayam Kriyartayam? That also with the example given. Kriyayam Kriyartayam is Sati Saptami. When this Kriya happens, that Kriya will happen. Yatra ekam Kriyam kartum, dvitiyam Kriyam kriya kriyate. For the sake of one action, second action is performed. Where? Tatra ya mukhya kriya asti tasyaha nirdesham kartum litlakaraha prayujyate. That mukhya kriya, in order to, nirdesham kartum, to specify the mukhya kriya, right? Litlakara is used. Kriyartayam satyam kriyayam, when there is action is taken for kriyayaha artayam, for the purpose of an action, kriyartayam satyam kriyayam litlakaraha bhavati. That's the meaning actually. Kriyartayam means kriyayaha artaha, for the purpose of an action, to accomplish an action. Satyam kriyayam, kriya is taken, that kriyayam, with that kriya litlakaraha bhavati. इत्युक्ते यत्र क्रियार्थ क्रिया उपस्थिता अस्ति तत्र मुख्य क्रिया लिट्लकारे दृश्यते. The important kriya is, मुख्य kriya is, will be in litlakara. Like example, you can see Ramaha gachati. Where does he go? Shalam gachati. Vidya shalam gachati, right? Why? Patana kriyartham, for the sake of study. To study, he goes to the school. Now, which is the mukhya kriya here? Not gachati. Patana kriya. Patati is a mukhya kriya. Right? Patana kriya, mukhya kriya. Tadartham eva gamana kriya asti. He goes not for the sake of going, to study. So, patana kriya iti mukhya kriya. So, patana kriya yartham ya kriya bhavati, right? Kriya bhavati. Kriya, that's what kriyayam kriyartayam. Then among this, which is the mukhya kriya? Patana kriya. That will be specified in litlakara. Patana kriya mukhya kriya asti. Gamana kriya is kriyartha kriya. Kriyartha kriya, gamana kriya. Gamana kriya is the movement, the moving action. The movement is taken for the purpose of, not for itself, for the sake of reading, studying. Patana kriyartham gamana kriya bhavati. So kriyartha kriya is gamana kriya. Patana kriyartham gamana kriya krita. Therefore, which is mukhya kriya? Patana kriya is mukhya kriya. Kriyartham, when we say, that is the purpose. Patana kriyartham gamana kriya is taken, right? Therefore, mukhya kriya is patana kriya. That will be in litlakara. Like what? Let's see here. Ramaha patishyati iti shalam gacchati. This is the prayoga. Ramaha patishyati iti you have to add. Shalam gacchati. This is not quote, please note. Generally, iti we use for quote, no? But here it is not quote. Mukhya kriya, this is kriyartha kriya. Kriyayam, kriyartayam, ya kriya, kriyate. This is kriya. And kriyartha, the mukhya kriya is patana kriya. Therefore, patana kriyartham gamana kriya kriyate. So gamana kriya will be in any tense. Here it is present tense, fine. And this kriya, which is mukhya kriya, for the purpose of which this gamana kriya is taken, that therefore mukhya kriya will be in future tense, will be specified in the litlakara. Therefore, Ramaha patishyati iti shalam gacchati. This is the kriyartha kriya. Kriyartayam, yeah.
So even if we can say Ramaha patishyati iti shalam agachat.
No, why not? He went in order to study. Why not?
Even in the past,
This is not important. This is important. In the past, you're saying something which will happen. He went to the school for study. You may say, he has gone, right? But he's going where? He's going to the school. You can say. Now, no condition. This should be in present tense. An action undertaken for the sake of other action, which is to be accomplished, right? So that will be in future tense, and iti will be there. This is, in fact, this is what the purpose of tumun. We use Ramaha, right? Patitum, we say.
Yes.
Patitum shalam gacchati. Instead of tuman, we are using a red lakara. That's it. Patitum. Patishyati is equal to patitum. Understand? Same
Yes.
meaning only. Patitum is kridanta, avyayam. Here it is red lakara. Now shesha you can see. That's what he given. Kriyayam, kriyartayam. So tuman and null, tuman pratyaya, as well as null pratyaya also can be used. Ityanena 3-3-10. The sutra pata from 3-3-10, kriyayam, kriyartayam coming as anuvritti. Please see. Kriyayam, kriyartayam, tuman nulau. Tuman pratyaya, that is tum pratyaya, and null pratyaya can be added to the dhatu to denote kriyartha kriya. इत्यनेन अस्यां सिद्धौ तुमुन् अथवा नुल् प्रत्ययो अपि भवितुम् अर्हतः अतः एतदेव वाक्यं रामः पठितुं शालां गच्छति we can say pat plus tum, right? Or null pratyaya also we can use. What is null? Pat plus null. Null is a nit pratyaya, therefore upada vriddhi will happen. Patakaha it will become. Please note that the null is not the karta. See, pat dhatu plus null pratyaya is a nit pratyaya, therefore upada vriddhi will happen. Pa will become pa. Already I taught you, remember? Then who is replaced by aka, the rule. Therefore you have pataka. Pataka is not a reader. Here kriyartha kriya. Reader also one meaning is that also null pratyaya, that is different. Please note, the null pratyaya can be added in the sense of the karta, the agent who is doing the action. That is also another null is there. That null is different. This null is different. Please note. This null is different. That null is different. Here you can use patakaha. Ramaha patakaha shalam gachati. Pataka means patitum ityartaha. Not the reader. Huh? If you don't understand this pataka, no problem. We will see that later. Don't worry. Patitum you understand, fine. Now, similarly, Ramaha Vijeshyate iti yudyati. Vijeshyate future tense. V purvaka G dhatu. G will become, how we get Vijeshyate? V purvaka G dhatu. G dhatu is Parasmepati dhatu, but with V it will be Atmanepati. Sya plus te will be equal to Sya. Partaya will cause Angakare. G will become J. Then Shatvam, Vijeshyate. Right? I hope you can follow. Think about that. We'll see more on that later. So here, which is Mukhya Kriya? Vijayatum Yudyati means Mukhya Kriya is Vijayatum. And Kriyartha Kriya is Yodanam. For the purpose of action, he is doing Yodanam. Yodanam means war, is fighting for victory. Similarly, Krishnam Drakshati iti Arjuna Yati. Krishna will see, therefore Arjuna goes. Sorry. Arjuna goes to see Krishna. Krishnam Drakshati, Krishnam, not Krishna. Krishnam Drakshati iti Arjuna Yati. Arjuna goes to see Krishna. Krishnam is karma. Right? Krishnam Drashtum Arjuna Yati ityartaha. Here Yati is Kriya. What Kriya? Kriyartha Kriya. This Kriya is taken for the sake of Darshana Kriya. Mukhya Kriya is Darshanam. And Yati is Kriyartha Kriya. Okay. Similarly, Vayam Kridishyamaha iti Gachamaha. Here Kriyartha Kriya is Gachamaha. Mukhya Kriya is Kridanam. That will be in future tense. Vayam, we will play. That is iti Gachamaha. We go to play. That is what that's the meaning. Vayam Kriditum Gachamaha. Understand?
Yes.
Now Shesha is, under Shesha only will come what? Ya Kriya Idanim na Arabdha. That Kriya which has not been taken. which has not been started. And ya kriya, yacha kriyayam kriyatayam itya api anena nirudeshyate. Not kriyayam kriyatayam, already covered. And also the action which has not been taken, which has not been started, undertaken, to show that Rit Lakara will be used with the dhatu. Like what example? Ramaha Sayam Vanam Gamishyati Adyatana Bhavishyati Yuvam Kara Karyam Karishata Aspashta Anadyatana. Therefore, Rit Lakara. Understand? Here it is Spashta Adyatana. Here it is Spashta Adyatana. Therefore, Spashta Adyatane Lit Lakara. And here it is Kada. The question is asked when. Yuvam Kada Karin, when will you do work? Aspashta Anadyatana. Therefore, Rit Lakara. Similarly, here it is Vayam Vyakaranam Patishyamaha. When? Not told clearly. Adyatana or Anadyatana. Aspashta Anadyatane. Here also Rit Lakara. That is what Shesha. When the future is not purely Anadyatana Bhavishyat, and also a mixture of today and tomorrow, then Rit Lakara will be used, not Lut Lakara. And when there is doubt with regard to Adyatana or Anadyatana, Rit must be used. That's what we have mentioned. Anadyatana, Aspashta, Anadyatana iti. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, therefore, an action is taken for the sake of another action, and that action, to accomplish that action, that is Kriyartha. The Kriyartha, that is the main Kriya, Mukhya Kriya. So, Kriyartha Kriya is for the Mukhya Kriya. So, Mukhya Kriya will be in future tense. Number one, Rit Lakara. Mukhya Kriya will be in Rit, the Dhatu will take Rit Pratyaya. Number one. Number two, Aspashta Anadyatana. Right? And Spashta Adyatana. That's what Shesha is. Understand?
Yes.
Next one is Anadyatana, that we will see next class. Okay. Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.